So I'm out here with Young Bull 903. We are at the store, all right? So Kim been talking all week. Let's go back to school shopping. Let's go back to school shopping. Shopping. The heck? We out here with the menace to society. Can't take this dude out nowhere. We'll see what he's about to do. We out here. Let's see how much. Hakeem, how much you finna spend, bro?
I don't know. Hakeem. $40.
He said he finna spend $40. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna get y'all when we in the store. So we out here. We finna cop this.
Yeah, you already know. Look, I got the red.
All right, so I'm out here with Young Bull. He got this. I got two. We got this matching thing. We always gotta have at least one matching outfit.
All right.
He got that, and I'm gonna get this over here. It's two shorts, and then I got this same exact shirt, but it's a white one.
I'm gonna give me some jeans.
He's gonna get him some jeans. We finna go to the next store. I'm gonna get y'all when we at the next store. Hakeem paying separate, obviously. That's his stuff. I'm getting 4 things.
I'm getting 2 things now.
And then we gonna go to the next store.
2 very boring minutes later.
This boy Hakeem about to spend $30 on some underwear. Ladies, at least y'all know he's dripping out his underwear, right? Oh yeah. So I'm out here with Young Bull right now, and how much did you spend? $100. He spent $100 on clothes, and he was about to spend like $40 on underwear. Man, you could have got the Hanes pack or a Polo pack even for $30, so you would have got 5 of them. But instead, you wanted to be all special and get them for $10 each. But we finna go drop this boy off, and yeah. So we're here right now. We made it. About 15 hours. We made it to Florida. I'm gonna give y'all a whole house tour. House tour coming up. Here's this room. It's probably for like a little kid room. It's nice. Here we got another room for little kids. Here's all my stuff. I think this is where I'm gonna stay. Bunk beds. This is the room. This looks nice. The vibes are good. Here's the kitchen. Table. Here. I like the decorations. This is nice. Fish. Just gives you that, you know, ocean vibe. And then this room. I don't even know what this is. 100 man. Let's see the backyard. Here. And then we have this like hangout spot. And then we have this like balcony out here. I'm gonna get y'all when I'm upstairs. Some restaurant. Here, there's games for the kids. Where's the shark? Now let's check out the balcony. This is nice. The beach is out there. We're here. Where's the shark? This looks really nice. And we're out here. Here's this room. This one's nice too. And I still don't know. I don't know what room I'm gonna stay in. I'm gonna get y'all whenever I'm about to stay in. Well, I find out what room I'm gonna stay in. Good for here. I don't know what's in there. And here's like the biggest room, the master or whatever. This is nice. This is the biggest. I'm gonna get y'all when I'm at my room. So, you're watching this clip. I just gave y'all the little house tour or whatever. And then, that's the house tour where we're staying at in Florida. And this is kind of like my weekend in Florida. And then, on the next clip, I don't know why my eyes so red, but on the next clip that you're about to see, we're gonna wake up at 5 in the morning, basically tomorrow. We're gonna wake up at 5 in the morning, and then we're gonna go fish, and we're gonna see what we catch. But we're doing more fishing on this channel. Just let me know. Leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe if you're new, and just leave a comment and share this video to anybody so it can help the algorithm out. And I think that's it. I'm gonna get to y'all whenever I'm waking up early. I'm gonna look all drowsy and stuff, but it's gonna be dark kinda. That's why I got this for lighting. We're gonna be doing saltwater fishing. It's 5 in the morning. I can barely keep my eyes open. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna get to you when I'm at the beach. It's time to go. It's early morning. We on our way to the beach right now. And it's really early. I could barely keep my eyes open. I'm surprised I even made it to the beach. Y'all ever be so tired where you can't even open your eyes and your eyes hurt so bad? But man, it looks nice out. Really nice out. We on our way right here. And then here's the beach. It looks so good. Sorry for the lighting though, because obviously the lighting is gonna be bad. But here's the beach. It's a vibe though. You can't tell me it ain't a vibe. It's nice out here. So basically we're at the beach right now, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna fish for ladyfish and then use that as bait in order to get bigger fish. So if we can catch ladyfish, we can catch other fish. Let's do it. Right here, the first fish that we got, it was a ladyfish, I think so. I don't even know, I don't remember. My cameraman didn't get it good, but yeah, I think it's a ladyfish. But this is the first fish we got, and then this was really the only fish we got. But just let me know if you enjoyed this video, cause I filmed my whole trip down here in Florida, and I got a bunch of footage. This is like a part 1 out of probably 6 videos. I have so much. If I were to post it all, it'd be like a whole 20-minute video. But let me know if you enjoyed the video, and leave a like and comment. Stay tuned for more. I think I got a video while this one's posted. I got a video dropping Thursday. So yeah.